FHC01BF. Fix unexpected error crash solved. FH01 with context 032BF is a GPU rendering crash. It usually comes from unstable graphics drivers, VRAM overload, corrupted shader cache, or overclock overlay conflicts. Follow these exact fixes. Fix 1. Clean GPU driver reinstall, most important. 1. Download DDU, display driver uninstaller. 2. Boot into safe mode. 3. Remove GPU drivers completely. 4. Reinstall latest stable driver, NVIDIA Game Ready or Studio. Studio is more stable. AMD WHQL recommended version. Restart PC after install. Fix 2. Clear shader and GPU cache. Press WinR and open. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete D3DS cache, NVIDIA DX cache, NVIDIA GL's cache, AMD DX cache, AMD GL's cache, then restart PC. Fix 3. Remove all overclocking. Turn off GPU overclock, MSI afterburner / ASUS tweak CPU undervolt overclock, RAM XMP test off temporarily. FHC01 often happens from unstable VRAM clocks. Fix 4. Disable all overlays. Disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, Xbox Game Bar, GeForce Experience overlay, RTSS MSI afterburner OSD. These often trigger GPU crash on launch. Fix 5. Lower graphics load. First launch fix. Before opening game, set resolution to 1080p. Set preset to low. Disable ray tracing. Turn off DLSS FSR temporarily. After stable launch, you can increase settings again. Fix 6. Increase virtual memory. You can see the code in our conversation history. Set. Initial 16,000 megabyte, max 32,000 megabyte prevents VRAM spill crashes. Fix 7. Verify game files, have Steam properties, installed files, verify integrity. Xbox App Manage, repair files. Fix 8. Reset game config, fix corrupted GPU settings. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete config plus graphics settings. Keep saves if possible. Fix 9. Force stable GPU mode. NVIDIA control power management mode, prefer maximum performance. Vertical sync off. Test both if needed. AMD Adrenalin, reset profile to default. Disable anti-lag temporarily. Fix 10. DirectX repair, reinstall. DirectX runtime, visuals plus redistributables, 2005-2022. Restart PC. Most effective fix combo works for most users. 1. DDU clean GPU driver reinstall. 2. Delete shader cache. 3. Remove overclock plus overlays. 4. Reset FH6 config. 5. Lower graphics settings for first launch. Summary.